following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Sussex, and Warren. Blizzard warning in effect from 10 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. Monday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulation.
Weather service for the following
Winds
counties
gusting
in
as
New
high as
Jersey:
45
Hunterdon,
miles per hour.
Sussex, and Warren.
Where?
Blizzard
Sussex,
warning in effect
Warren,
from 10
and
a.m.
Hunterdon
this morning
counties.
to 6 p.m. Monday.
When? From 10 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. Monday. Impact. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches and result in isolated power outages. Additional details: snowfall rates could exceed 2 inches per hour. Locally higher snowfall amounts and significant drifting of snow possible. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. The following is a blizzard